In this video, I'll show you how to change country in the Amazon app. While on the home screen, come down to the bottom menu and select the three horizontal lines. From here, under your shortcuts, tap on your account. Next, you want to scroll down. Under account settings, you will see content and devices. Select that. And then at the top, there will be a menu. From here, tap on preferences. And then the second option down, it will say change your country or region. Tap on that and then tap change. So in order to change your country in the Amazon app, you have to enter a new address in that country. Once you've filled that in, press update in the bottom right. And then it will ask, are you sure you want to update your address to the country that you're changing to? Press the yellow update button once again. And then you'll see that the Amazon app changes to whatever country. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.